What's the meaning of backlit? Backlit. Backlit.
Backlit. Backlit. Backlit refers to a technique of illuminating an object or scene from behind, creating a dramatic effect by casting a glow around the edges or contours. The light source is positioned behind the subject, so it shines towards the camera, highlighting the outline and giving depth to the image. This method is commonly used in photography, especially for capturing silhouettes or highlighting the texture of translucent materials. Backlighting can also create a sense of mystery or intrigue by obscuring details and emphasizing shadows. This technique requires careful management of exposure and contrast to achieve the desired effect, but it can add a powerful visual impact to photographs.